Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Zac. Today we're going to be making, are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? Placki
Ziemniaczane!
Those are potato pancakes. And they're Polish. They're super delicious. Just for you, we're going to make the gluten-free version. This is what you need. 8 potatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then a potato peeler, 4 eggs, an onion, some gluten-free flour, and salt and pepper. First, you peel the potatoes. Minutes later, I'm finally done! Ugh, that was a lot of work. Now let's peel the onion.
Onion made you cry?
Now we have to grate the potatoes, half on the small and half on the big, so they'll be crunchy. Okay, I'm gonna start. Now that we're done on this side, we have to move on to this side, and that was half by the way. So, okay, I'm gonna start. But make sure that you don't cut your fingers, because then you might get hurt. Teamwork! You guys, guess what? I found a way better technique. Works way better, see? Made it a lot faster. Or cutting it, whatever you want to call it. Guys, guess what? Now we have to grate the onion. I'm gonna let my dad do that one. Now we're gonna sift it for about 15 minutes. Okay, now let's wait about 15 minutes. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. Let's put it in the bowl. Heavier than I thought. But, okay, now that we put this stuff in there, now let's put the juice in here. Wait, what do I see on the bottom? What's that? Residue. Okay, let's put it in the mix. Okay, now we're gonna crack 4 eggs and put in the flour. Okay, first let's crack the eggs.
Take 2.
I'm afraid not. But seriously, that's why you wear an implant. Okay, I'm gonna try again. There you go. That time was good. Okay, now we have to put in the flour. And now we have to stir. The next stir, whatever.
It's about 3 tablespoons of flour.
Now we have to put some salt on it. Remember, potatoes like salt. And a bit of pepper. Okay, now that we're done stirring, let's cook them. And make sure you have to cook it until they're golden on the outside, until they're crunchy. And you're gonna fry them on medium and butter. After about a minute and a half, you're gonna fry it. You're gonna flip them. You want them to be golden brown, just like this. They smell super good. And now we're gonna get them out on the paper towel. Just one. Right on top. Before we pour, you want to eat them when they're hot. And you can make them as a main meal with sour cream, or you can eat them as a dessert as with sugar.
What do you want?
Sugar first.
Sugar first. Sugar first.
Okay, I'm gonna take a bite with sugar. Mmm.
Yummy.
Is it yummy, Eli?
They're really good. They're crunchy on the outside and then chewy on the inside. Now I'm gonna try sour cream. 1 spoonful of sour cream per pancake. Okay, let's try it. But first I'm gonna spread it out a little. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Yummy! It's super good! It's amazing!
Yum. I'm tasting it without the pancake. Yummy. Tastes good.
You guys, I think it tastes way better sour cream. But anyways, see you next time. Bye! And also make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Peace out. Woo!